Hello everyone, here's Rachel. We are currently at our Research and Development and Manufacturing Center. And today I will show our complete chocolate processing plant from the cocoa beans to the finished chocolate. And now follow me and show you. This is the first step of the production line. It's the cocoa beans roasting. And this machine is equipped with the intelligent temperature control system to make sure every cocoa beans roasting evenly and delivering in the rich aroma and make it easy breaking in next step. This is the second step of the cocoa beans peeling. As you see, this machine is combined with the cocoa crushing and the winnowing system together. This machine separates the cocoa shell and the cocoa nibs. And as you see, here is the dust collection system. It will help guarantee the friendly environment of the factory. This is the third part of the cocoa liquor grinding system. The cocoa nibs will go through into this storage tank through this vacuum feeding machine. And then the cocoa nibs will go into the cocoa liquor grinding machine. As you see here, we set two sets of cocoa liquor grinding machine, and this system will help get the smooth and evenly cocoa paste and make the preparation for the chocolate processing plant. The following is the chocolate processing plant, and this machine is the chocolate raw material melting tank. This tank is with the double jacket system, and it can keep the temperature at 60 degrees. After melting, you will get the liquid raw material, and then the raw material will go into this insulated tank. And this tank is with the mixing function. It will make sure the material evenly and smooth. And this part will be a very important part of this production line. This is the refining system. This system will help refine the particles into the 25 microns and removing off the flavors from the cocoa, and to help create a smoother and richer chocolate flavors. And after refining, the material will go through these pumps and the magnetic filtration and then go into this insulated tank and storage in this tank and keep the material warm. And then the material will go into this tempering machine. This is the tempering process, and it's the Google independently intelligent development tempering system, and use the multi-stage tempering control system to make sure the chocolate crystal structure and to ensure the finished chocolate has a glossy appearance and no blooming, and completely resolving the common issue of the unstable temperature. And finally, this is the molding stage. This is a molding and depositing system. It's the automatic system. We will customize it into the depositing machine according to the different depositing modes. And this is the automatic complete process, including the mold heating and depositing and cooling. And this system will be demolding with the high presence, low waste, and high efficiency. If you want to learn more information about our food processing solution, please follow our account Google to make food processing simpler and safer.